guys to another episode of D-Tron Does It. Of course, I am D-Tron and I does stuff. And this week, if you're a parent like me, then you're probably excited about the fact that you're going to get a few extra coins, more cash, extra couple dollars in your bank account because of a recent change to the 2021-2022 child tax credit. The government's trying to look out, I guess. If you're a P.I.T.M.P, which is a parent in the middle of a pandemic, then you understand just how real the struggle was. And luckily, the government has come around to that idea too. So the credit that you normally get on your tax returns to lower your tax burden is now going to be given to you in cash disbursements over the next 6 months, which means the government's sending you direct payments. Yeah, those IRS checks are not going to be fake. But it's only this year, which is the 2021-2022 tax year. All right, I'll try to keep it brief, but here's the highlights. Starting July 15th, for every child 5 years or younger, you're going to receive $300. And for every child age 6 to 17, you're going to receive $250. All right, so now that you got that first payment, every month to the end of the year, the government will send you that repeat payment for that child, which means if you've got a child 5 years or younger, you're going to receive $1,800 total. And if you've got a child between the age of 6 and 17, you're going to receive $1,500 total, which is approximately half of what you would get with the child tax credit when you would file your taxes in any other tax year. Want to know when you'll receive your money? Here's the target dates. Since you're only receiving half of your tax credits in this year, you'll receive the remaining half of that child tax credit when you file your taxes in 2022, which is April for all of you guys who file your taxes on time. And if you got older kids, don't worry. They're eligible too. Well, kinda. If you got an 18-year-old, they're eligible for a one-time $500 credit. And if you've got a 19 to 24-year-old, they're eligible for a $500 tax credit as well, if they are fully enrolled in college. So they could probably use $500 for some books, maybe, I don't know, t-shirts, beer, whatever. So here's a couple of things to note. You don't have to accept the tax credit early. The government has set up a website that you can go and opt out of this tax credit and you'll get it just the way that you normally do. But where's the fun in that? Another thing to note, if you make big money, you're probably going to see a decreased amount in your disbursements. That's if you get anything at all. The assumption is if you make big money, you probably don't need these tax credits. So for all the details that I've shared with you today, plus more, you can head over to the irs.gov website and they have a whole portal set up for this new updated child tax credit information. So now that you know how the new child tax credit is shaking out, besides buying some school clothes or maybe some extra food in the house, what are you guys going to do with it? I got some big plans to have some fun with the kids this fall going into winter. I'd love to hear down in the comments below what you guys plan to do with this more immediate tax credit or if you plan on opting out. As always, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notifications button, get some alerts, find out when we're dropping new videos, which is every Monday and sometimes throughout the week. And if you decide not to like, share, or subscribe, you know what? I won't even be mad at you. Till next time, guys. Peace.